Hi there, it's AniaShakti. Did you know that keeping your glands and endocrine system in check could be the secret to feeling all those annoying colds and mucus and congestion? And what if I told you that the same practice could help you increase sense of calmness and inner peace you've been searching for? Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of Kundalini yoga, and not just any yoga, the yoga that I specifically chose, but it's aimed to nurture your glands, your endocrine system, your lymph glands, and increase calmness. Or maybe you wonder why. I want to share this with you. It's because these little parts of our body play a huge role in how we feel, fight off diseases, and even how we handle stress. I hope you are warmed up a little bit. And let's grab our mats and let's begin. Let's come sit in easy meditative position, hands in prayer mudra, and let's connect to our inner wisdom. Close your eyes and begin breathing slowly and deeply through the nose. Focusing on the touch of your palms in prayer mudra, sit a little bit taller. And set intention for our practice together. And let's inhale. Suspend the breath, roll the eyes up. And exhale, release. We're going to begin. You're going to remain sitting in easy pose. You're going to place fingers. The thumb will be pressing your temples right here, and the other fingers will gently rest on the head. You're going to pull the elbows back so they are straight. They're creating like a triangle. You're going to inhale, twist to the left. Exhale, twist to the right. Keeping the elbows back so they're not leaning forward. Inhale, twist to the left. Exhale, twist to the right. Pull the navel towards the spine. Close your eyes and let's continue. Find your rhythm, find your flow, and let's go. Relax the shoulders. See if you can move just a little bit more faster, listening and honoring your body. Open your lips a little bit. Inhale, center, pull the shoulder blades back, hold the breath. Exhale, relax shoulders. Now the mudra is the thumb is in the base of the pinky and the other fingers are touching together. Elbows will be touching your rib cage. Pull, lift your diaphragm, navel in, neck lock. So the chin is a little bit down gently. And the movement is you inhale while you bring the right left arm up and exhale while you alternate. Creating 60-degree angle. Close your eyes. And it's a powerful push-pull motion. Like this. And let's continue. Close your eyes. Feel into the movement. Feel into your breath. Breath, if you go faster, will almost become as a breath of fire. Extend both legs like a V. Hold the breath. Relax the shoulders. And exhale, release. Just notice what's happening. We're going to repeat the movement again. Let's begin. This time a little bit faster than once we begin. Chin is gently tucked in to protect the neck. Extend both, hold, navel in. Exhale, relax. Now we're going to do powerful breath. Hands are in a cup and through the O mouth shape, we're going to inhale and raise the arms behind your head, and then exhale and bring the hands to the starting position. Close your eyes. Let's begin. Listen to your breath, and we breathe through the O mouth shape. Lower the mudra, hold the breath, and apply Rutak. Exhale, release. Now, palm, again, the base of the pinky. Gonna fold the other fingers. Really feel. You squeeze your thumb gently and firmly. The movement is you inhale through the nose, extend the arms rapidly. Inhale, exhale, arms up. Inhale, palm parallel, exhale up. This is a movement. Keep the arms as straight as possible. No bending in the elbow. And let's continue. Close your eyes. We're going to be here just for a few more movements. You can see my rocking, which is okay. And relax. Fingers to the ground. Gentle shoulder rolls. And just be still, sense what's present. Inhale and exhale. Now we're gonna come up into frog position. Heels are glued all the time. So we inhale, raise the buttocks up, lower the head down. Exhale, come up, raise the chest up and the head up. This is a movement. And we're gonna be here for a few frags. So let's begin. One more. And buttocks to the heels. Lift your chest up, lift your chin up, inhale. Hold your breath and apply root lock. And exhale, release. Find your way to lay down on your back. You're gonna interlace fingers in a Venus lock like this. Place it behind your head. Bring the knees, creating 90-degree angle, and begin bicycling. Keeping the legs in the 90-degree angle, pull the navel in, and let's continue. Shoulders touch the ground. Head is rested in a Venus lock with your hands. Fantastic. Your lower back hurts, you can place hands underneath your buttocks and continue. Bring the knees to the chest. Move your hips side to side. Stretch the legs, arms are up. And just relax for a moment. Please inhale, come to shoulder stand. If you're support on the lower back, begin kicking your heels to the buttocks. Let's continue, toes are pointed. Slowly come out from a pose. And again, come to the shoulder stand. Inhale, lower the left leg, touching the ground. Exhale, bring up and reverse. See where you are and alternating. Inhale, legs up, exhale, lower down and reverse. And come both legs 90 degrees up. Inhale, stretch, hold. Exhale, bend the knees and really slowly come down. Roll yourself up to sit in easy pose. Right palm touches the back of the left hand. Thumbs will touch. Elbows are shoulder level. Hands are in front of your chest. And in a monotone, we're going to chant mantra Har Guru, Siri Guru, Wahe Guru. Har Guru, Siri Guru, Wahe Guru. Close your eyes and let's begin. Har Guru, Siri Guru, Wahe Guru. 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 Har Guru Sri Guru Vahe 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 Guru. Inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale and release the mudra. And you can lie down, you can sit, and just fully relax. Remember, the key to reaping these benefits is regular practice. Incorporating these poses in your daily routine and with chant can be a game changer. And of course, what's practice without a little community? I'd love to hear how these exercises are working out for you. Comment down below your experience, your progress, or any question you might have. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Share it with your friends and your family who might benefit from it too. And hey, subscribe if you haven't already. I've got lots of more wellness journeys to embark on and share with you together. I'm signing off. My darlings, remember that taking care of your body is not just about the externals. It's the inner workings, like your glands and endocrine system, that hold the key to the health, inner health, and peace. Take care, stay healthy. Sat Nam.